guys, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenido a mi cocina. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious pineapple coconut drink. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and if you're a regular, thank you for returning. So what I have here is one pineapple, which I'm going to peel and cut them into chunks, and I have 1 can of coconut milk, and I have some ice cubes here. So let's get started. So I'm just going to take off the top. Remove this and put this over here. Okay, so you want to just basically take off the back, the skin of it. So I already took some off, so you wouldn't have to watch me do this. So I'm just gonna slice down so you can see. And you just take off the back like this. Just peel off the skin. Okay, put that to the side and turn your pineapple down here and just keep taking off the pieces that you don't need. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to slice these into thin slices, and we're going to remove the core. The core is in the center. That's this piece right here. You're going to just take this part off. You can see the core because of the little indentation right here. So you can take that. We can just take that off. All right, and this part you're going to discard. Now I'm washing the pineapple off.
Estoy grabando ahora mismo.
Okay. Okay guys, so I'm going to try my shake, and it's really delicious. Thank you guys for taking the time out to watch my video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so today. Bye-bye.